With our header created, the next item we want to create is the callout bar, and that contains our website name and also a phone number where we can be reached. This entire section is contained within a table as well, and the text items are contained in a nested table with 2 columns. So let's go ahead and get started. Beneath our first table, I'm going to create another table. So just like the first table, I've given this table a width of 100%, so it expands and contracts with the web browser, a height of 150 pixels, border of 0, cell spacing and cell padding of 5, and the background color is a light gray color, and that's the hex code for the light gray color. Next, we'll need to create a table row. And inside this table row, we'll create a single table column. And we'll align the text inside this column. We'll give it a center alignment. Okay, so we have our table created. You can see the light gray background. And this table has 1 row and 1 column. Inside this column, we're going to nest the table that contains our text. So remember, the nested table will have 2 columns. So I've given this table a width of 708 pixels, border of 0, cell spacing and cell padding of 1. Next, we'll create a table row. And inside this table row, we'll need to create 2 columns. One column will contain my business website, and the second will contain the call us today and then the phone number. So this is the syntax for the first column. So the column has a width of 338 pixels, text alignment of left. We've attached a font attribute. So there's really nothing new going on there. We've also added strong tags around the My Business text, so it gives it that bold look. And create a break, and then the website text, and then we've closed off the column. Now we'll create the second column, which contains the phone number. And it's almost the same thing. So it's a column, just the width is slightly different. It's a bit smaller. This time the text is aligned to the right. As you can see, its alignment is to the right here. Now we've attached a font attribute, made the call us today text bold, and then the phone number. So there it is.